and check the noise. Oh wow, nice and crispy. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Food Fusion 1 million, and today I am back again after a very long time, I guess almost a year, and with my niece Kiara. She's also my godchild. I hope you remember her. If you have not, please see our videos prior. She's now 14 years of age, and she's the reason why I am back again. She insisted me, guys, she insisted me to try out her brownie fudge recipe, and it's absolutely heavenly. It's delicious, and let me have the honor actually to have Kiara herself speak about this recipe.
So guys, if you're on a diet, I suggest you leave it and try the most delicious and fudgiest brownies you will ever try that doesn't require chocolate and very easy to bake. And today my godma is going to be making it for us.
I hope.
And so yeah.
So without any further ado, let's get
started.
In a large bowl, we will take 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of oil, 3 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, salt to taste, and mix all of this well until you get a smooth texture. So this would take you approximately around 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, I just need to take this opportunity to actually thank Clara for helping me to record these videos, help me to edit the videos. She's just in her teens, she's just 14. And guys, I need you to please subscribe to my channel, write your comments below, support Kiara, and follow us, guys. So this is the consistency that we are looking for, guys. This is the one. So once this is done, now we're going to add the dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, we will sift 3/4 cups of plain flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift all this well into the wet ingredients. Once this is done, we shall then mix this well and form a smooth batter until we see the sugar is dissolved in the flour. So this would take you around 7 to 10 minutes. Add this to the baking tray, and it's all ready to go to the oven. So guys, this is all set right now, and the best part is to add some delicious chocolate chips in it, and Kiara loves doing this favorite part, so I'm going to have her to do the honors to get the chocolate chips in her delicious heavenly brownies. That's good.
That looks delicious.
So guys, the batter is ready and it's all set to go in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. So let's go, follow me.
One hour later.
So guys, the brownie is all ready. You can see the lovely cracks that's come on it, and check the noise. Oh wow, nice and crispy. So let's just cool this down for the next 15 minutes, and it's all ready to taste.
20 minutes later.
So this is for me, guys, and it's bigger piece for Kiara. She deserves it. So this looks amazing. Kiara, let's do the taste test, both of us, with some ice cream. So guys, we are here now in our backyard, just chilling and enjoying a delicious, heavenly brownies that's topped with some ice cream, guys. Look at this. This is amazing. So we are going to have a taste test. First, Kiara. Kiara, come on, with some ice cream, and
Let's take our first bite, guys.
did you like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Not sweet, right? I mean,
It's not too sweet. It's the perfect
are
amount
you
of
still
sweet.
getting the crunch?
Yeah.
Yeah? I am. I liked it. I actually just ate all the crunch on the top, the crispy part of it.
The top is crispy, but the inside is soft and fudgy, and the ice cream goes perfectly with it. I really like it.
You enjoy it?
Yeah. Thank you.
You should try it.
Yeah, you should definitely try the recipe. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and comment down below what you think of the brownies.
Enjoy, guys. I'm going to eat it because my ice cream is getting melted now. So see you next time. Sayonara from Kiara and myself. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us. And give Kiara a big thumbs up, guys. Take care. See you. Bye.
Bye.